Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Trini-style lentil pea stew. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of dried split peas, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 hot pepper for that authentic kick. Don't forget fresh thyme, about 2 pimento peppers for flavor, and 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Finally, have 1/4 cup of coconut milk and 2 cups of water or vegetable broth ready. These simple ingredients will create a wonderfully flavorful dish. Now let's get into the preparation. First, rinse your 1 cup of split peas well, then soak them in water for at least 30 minutes. For an even creamier stew, soaking them overnight is highly recommended. While they soak, finely chop your 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 pimento peppers. These will form the aromatic foundation of our stew. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a medium pot over medium heat. Then add your chopped aromatics and sauté them until they are fragrant and softened, about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, we move to the simmering stage. Drain your soaked split peas and add them to the pot with the fragrant sautéed aromatics. Pour in the 2 cups of water or vegetable broth and toss in a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently for about 45 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Finally, stir in the 1/4 cup of coconut milk and the whole hot pepper, allowing it to cook for another 10 minutes. We're almost there. Before serving, carefully remove the whole hot pepper and any large thyme sprigs. Now, it's time to season your stew to perfection with salt and freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your personal preference. The finished stew should be wonderfully thick and creamy, with the split peas completely tender and well cooked. Serve this incredibly flavorful Trini lentil pea stew hot. It makes a fantastic main course or a hearty side dish, pairing beautifully with steamed rice, warm roti, or even some crusty bread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.